In our attempt to help people find the most energy efficient appliances, Carbon Zero Life is bringing a complete series of articles and videos on energy efficient equipment. You can support us by subscribing to our channel and sharing our blogs and videos with your friends. To know more about energy efficient appliances, visit our website carbonzerolife.com. Link is in the description of this video. This is our first video of this series and we will start with air conditioners. Air conditioners are one of the most energy thirsty appliances in our households. A fun fact, air conditioners are anticipated to consume 45% of Indian household power demand by 2050 as per EESL Government of India. So here is a list of the most energy efficient air conditioners available in the market for India. You can find all the details about the price and features of these air conditioners from our website. Starting with the most energy efficient, a 1.5 ton split from Toshiba, the RAS18 PKCV 2G. It has the annual power consumption of 704 units, ISEER of 5.6, nominal power consumption of 1230 watt. Then we have the Daikin 1.5 ton JTKJ 50 TV with an annual power consumption of 744 units, ISEER of 5.2. Next we have LG KSQ12 YNZA, a 1 ton split inverter AC with an annual power consumption of 572 units, ISEER of 4.7 and nominal power consumption of 938 watts. After that, we have Blue Star FS312 AATU 1 ton split non-inverter AC with an annual power consumption of 739 units, ISEER of 3.54, nominal power consumption of 955 watts. Followed by LG KSQ18 YNZA split inverter AC with an annual power consumption of 836 units, ISEER of 4.73 and nominal power consumption of 1440 watts. Although I had initially planned to put 5 top air conditioners but later thought of putting 2 extra. The Godrej GIC 12BH8 is a model with the highest ISEER in the market of 6.15 and LG JS Q18WUZA, which is the first window AC with inverter technology compressor in India. Apart from the above list, Government of India has also started a program under the Energy Efficient Services Limited, the EESL, a first of its kind, called Super Efficient AC Program with the goal of integrating energy efficiency into India's cooling sector. Although I have done a lot of research for the above list, but if you know of a more energy efficient model, please do let me know in the comments so that I can update my list and more people will get the information.